We've been called by God and equipped with the word to fight the devil, but the problem is we're too busy stroking saints. Stroking them. We live in a world of itching ears where people come to church and demand to be petted and told what they want to hear. People come to church with agendas in mind. Make me happy. Meet my needs. Be positive. Telling the preacher, tell me how to be successful. Don't talk about sin. Don't be negative. Doctrine and theology are boring. Your sermons are too long. Make the gospel relevant. Build up my self-esteem. Make me laugh. Tell some jokes. Help me feel good about myself. Don't be divisive. Don't talk about hell. But with as much of this world that's quickly going to the pits of hell, the answer comes from the Apostle Paul. Preach the word.